From the past year, we've seen crazy development in the AI technology. And AI has came to a point which is kind of a little bit scary, but also very exciting at the same time. And it is then when I found out about Photoshop AI, which is... So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this from this and this from this. So without wasting any time, let's go out in the city center, take some photos, and we're going to come back and edit these photos. Honestly, I've been out here in the city after a really long time, and it is a very beautiful day, and it's good to be back out in the city creating videos, which I always wanted, but I never get a chance to do that. So today we're out and about and taking pictures. What I really need is a model. Hi, model. So this is not a normal photo shoot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take as many cool photos as I can and implement some AI element into it. Just took some shots of the KL Tower. That looks really amazing. So probably gonna add some stuff there. So I just got this idea that try to remove whatever is in there and put something funny. So I'm gonna ask him to pretend that
let's do it.
Let's upload it, yeah? It is kind of crowded today, but it is a very beautiful day out in the city, which makes me even more motivated to shoot more and create more. So right now we are experiencing one of the best sunset skies. We are done taking shots here. I think I can make something cool out of it. People say that AI is ruining everything, especially in Photoshop. The AI is gonna ruin photography forever. You can look at it in two ways. Either you can look at it as a way to destroy photography, which I do not really agree. AI is a tool and it's gonna help you out. And for me, it opens up a lot of doors and opportunities to create amazing and beautiful art, that's what I'm trying to do and show you guys. I really love photography, and I think this is a really good step in a good direction, but some people don't really agree with it. So let's go back to the studio and mess with the shots that I just took. Let's go. Alright, so back at the workstation, and these are the shots that I got so far. So these are the few shots that I selected that I think that I can do something with it. Let's get it on. So I really wanted to do something with a portrait, so I took this model, took a picture of him, and decided to add horns on him. And it gave me a pretty interesting selection of horns. He looks so horny. Then I select his whole face and gave a prompt of scars and blood. That was not good. So I undo that and selected the eyes, which kind of gave me the cartoonish look, which I didn't really like. So I scratched that idea. Then I decided to add some scars on his face. I played around with some scars until I found the one that I liked. And oh my god, it was looking so good already. Then I decided to add some tattoos on his face. And then I had this idea to add an eye on his forehead, which was looking pretty damn good. His jacket was kind of boring and black, so I decided to change that to some red poppin' devil color, which was looking already amazing. I'm really impressed how this turned out, because this is looking fantastic. And voila, here are the results. Damn! So the second shot of KL Tower and some buildings in the background, I decided to add a skyscraper on the side, which looks so good and it blended so perfectly with the light and the sunset at that time. And then I thought I should add some helicopter or something futuristic. Then I decided to add some alien looking building on the side. It gave me a few options and I stick with this one, which looks fantastic. I'm happy with that. Now here's a shot of me standing on the rooftop. I decided to add some robotic elements into it. So I decided to add a drone because I'm already interacting with something. Then I changed my arms and legs to robotic, which looked pretty damn good, to be honest. Then I saw the floor and I thought, why not add a robot for spare parts or something? So I added that, which looks really good. And then I saw my bag was in the picture, so I decided to select it and change it with some spare parts, which it did a really good job of removing it. Added some futuristic building on the side, and oh my god, this was fantastic. Took a shot of my friend staring at these signs. I decided to replace the whole thing. I tried adding some girls, but that didn't work out because their face was kind of messed up. So I changed that, tried a few different stuff, but that didn't work out as well. Then I decided to change the whole thing with dragon, which looked amazing. It was so red and it was popping, so I decided to go with a dragon theme. Then I changed the shop banner from yellow to some dragon thingy, and it blended it so well. The tree on the side I replaced with another dragon, added more dragons on the side, and I decided to add a flying dragon on top, which it did a fantastic job. Then I noticed his jacket was black and dull. I decided to change the whole thing to something different, something which has more contrast. So I changed it to yellow, and voila, here are the results. I dig around my photo library and I saw this picture that I've taken of a car. I expanded the picture and added more cars, and this is the result. And lastly, I want to show you this picture. I added some clouds on top, which it did a fantastic job of matching the colors. It's mind-blowing. Done. Conclusion. So what do I think about Photoshop AI? I think it's fantastic. It is a great way to unleash your creativity. You can do so many things. The possibilities are endless. Yes, it does need some changes and some updates. Hopefully we're gonna see that in future, because right now it's on beta. Adobe is going in the right direction with the announcing of Firefly, which is gonna edit your video pretty much and color grade. It's absolutely mind-blowing. I'm not done here. I'm gonna be doing more crazy stuff with this and experiment more. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. You can cut it.